Hello everyone. In this video, I will be taking you through a closer look at the Electrical Content Portal, a powerful online platform that provides engineers with access to an extensive library of electrical symbols, components, manufacturer parts, and design resources. Whether you are working on schematics, 3D routing, or harness design, the Electrical Content Portal helps you find the right part quickly and ensure your designs stay accurate and up to date. Let's start with the main dashboard. The portal provides a centralized library of components, everything from connectors and terminals to cables and complete manufacturer catalogs. You can search by keyword, filter by category, or browse by supplier. This eliminates the need to create every symbol or part manually, saving valuable design time. The portal also includes a wide range of manufacturer catalogs, constantly updated to keep you aligned with the latest industry standards. For example, if your project requires specific parts from TE connectivity, Molex, or Phoenix Contact, you will find them ready to use here. This direct access to verified data means fewer errors and more confidence in your designs. Once you find the part you need, downloading it is quick and easy. Here, I will search for a connector. With just a click, I can download the symbol, 3D model, and manufacturer data. The downloaded content can be imported directly into SOLIDWORKS Electrical, where it becomes part of your project library. This ensures consistency between the schematic and the 3D model while also providing accurate bill of material data. Now let's see how the content portal integrates with SOLIDWORKS Electrical. When we add a downloaded part to the library, it automatically carries all its metadata, symbol representation, pin details, and part number. Now I will insert the connector from the library, which will be having the manufacturer part details, which I have downloaded now, and it will be having all the pin details of connector as per manufacturer details, and the same component I can place it in the schematics. Switching into 3D CAD, the same part is available for placement in the assembly with accurate connection points for routing. This real-time integration between the content portal, 2D schematics, and 3D CAD ensures that your designs remain synchronized at every stage. By using the SOLIDWORKS Electrical Content Portal, your team gains several key benefits. Time savings by reusing ready-made content. Accuracy with manufacturer verified data. Collaboration across electrical and mechanical teams with shared libraries. Consistency in reports such as BOMs, connected details, and circuit summaries. All of this contributes to faster project delivery and higher design quality. To summarize, the Electrical Content Portal is more than just a library. It's a complete ecosystem that connects design tools with real-world manufacturer data. By integrating directly with SOLIDWORKS Electrical and 3D CAD, it empowers teams to design smarter, collaborate seamlessly, and deliver projects with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to explore the portal to see how it can enhance your electrical design workflow.